What are riparian areas and wetlands, and why are they important? Today, we're going to give a quick, in-depth look at riparian areas, wetlands, and what they have to do with watersheds. Riparian areas are the transition zones between water and the land of a water body, where moist soil supports water-loving vegetation and animals. You can find them along any body of water, including rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, sloughs, and even man-made water bodies like dugouts, canals, and reservoirs. Riparian areas are essential to the health of any body of water. They act as a filter and buffer for the water, trapping and storing sediment and other contaminants. This means that the water is kept cleaner, which ensures healthier lives for amphibians, fish, aquatic invertebrates, humans, and other mammals. The roots of vegetation strengthen the banks, which prevents erosion and makes the water body more resilient to flooding and drought. Vegetation also gives the water shade, which cools down temperatures, making the water more hospitable for organisms to live and reproduce it. This is what a healthy riparian area looks like, and this is what a damaged riparian area looks like. When a riparian area is damaged, it no longer buffers contaminants, prevents erosion, or shades the water, meaning that the water becomes dangerous for its inhabitants to live in. Extra sediment clogs the eyes and gills of different organisms, and increasing temperatures kill off sensitive species. The water body also becomes less resilient to flooding and drought, which can make for a catastrophic mess when extreme weather events occur.
Oh, it's definitely not just for us. I mean, we could just say, well, forget about everybody else. But that's not the case. I mean, we try to be good neighbors and good stewards of the land and even the water resources to try and keep them clean. You can only do so much, but I mean, if you can keep the cattle right out of the lake or out of the creek, it makes a big difference to the quality of the water.
Now, onto wetlands. Wetlands are low-lying areas of land covered by water long enough to support aquatic plants and wildlife. Wetlands are biodiversity hotspots and provide many ecological services to landowners and communities. Wetlands protect from flooding and drought and help clean water that eventually runs into rivers and lakes. They act like a sink, storing excess water. They protect wildlife and provide crucial habitat for a wide variety of species. They also store carbon, which has a positive impact on our climate. There are 5 different classifications of wetlands in Alberta, which are bogs, fens, marshes, swamps, and shallow open water, like ponds or sloughs. Wetlands and riparian areas are 2 essential components in our watersheds. They both improve water quality, which is essential for the health and safety of all creatures. Everyone lives in a watershed and drinks water, so ensuring our watersheds stay healthy and resilient is of the utmost importance.
I think it's important that we protect our wetlands. We're constantly hearing how our bee populations are dying. And a big part of that is when we drain these wetlands and try to farm them, we lose that habitat. It also affects all animals. Everything is affected. We need to live with nature, not against it. And that's been our philosophy on this farm for over 30 years. And I don't think it's hurt us one bit.
Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you soon.